Now, the Department of Energy came up with a ruling, RA 11285, wherein you have to start monitoring the power in your offices. So they are starting to become very, very strict. They will start penalizing sooner or later. But now, they're asking companies to report. But then how do you do reporting? Mahirap din. Paano ka magre-report kung yung kilowatt hour meter mo nasa taas ng poste? Mahirap, di ba? Pero that is for the smaller houses. But what if you have a smart meter, like a PacketWorks smart meter? You will not only need, you don't even need to go where the smart meter is, you can have remote monitoring. This is what we had in our office environment. So the blue line is the total power consumption, and the lines here are the consumptions for the various air conditioning systems. But what is so noticeable is the purple line. It is connected to the AC that has the lowest power, 1 horsepower, one person going to that office space, but then that is the device, that is the aircon that consumes the most power. Why? There was something wrong with the aircon. But since we did not have a way to measure before, it was difficult. Akala ko marunong na ako, but then when we started installing the device, that's the kind of reading that we were able to find out. Which means that if you really do not know how to install it or measure it properly, it would be difficult for any company to find out how much you are consuming or how much you can do energy efficiency. This is what we did for one of the biggest BPOs, 130,000 employees, 50 offices. We installed energy meters, we installed temperature sensors, and just by installing, wala pang intervention, just by installing and coming up with a mandate or 10% of energy savings. And that is what usually happens once you start installing measuring devices. Wala pang intervention or manual intervention. The next one is to do remote control. The next one is to do analysis already. Analytics, para automated na sila. So right now, we're still installing a lot of temperature sensors and energy meters in their various offices. What is the secret to proper monitoring? Proper monitoring doesn't happen when you wait for the Meralco bill to arrive. Problema nun, 1 month bago mo malaman na nakatipid ka ba o hindi. But if you are to monitor every so many minutes, then you see what's happening with your power consumption. But again, with this, with a smart meter correlated with temperature sensor, and then later on correlated with the number of people in a particular area, then it would be very easy for you to measure and make changes when you want to.